Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all doing well and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna make the Cobra Vendetta Paracord bracelet. Design and inspiration came from the Slayer Paracord, so go ahead and check him on the Instagram. That being said, for today's project we're gonna use this gold Paracord 550 and this navy blue and brown paracord. So the full dimension or the length of the paracord are down in the box of description for this video, and the tutorial for the 4-core strand core bracelet with 2 working ends you have in the top right corner in the information cards, so go ahead and click there. And also you have the tutorial how to create this awesome Aloha Paracord bracelet with the cute hearts on it. So that being said, let's start. We're gonna take the navy blue and the brown and we're gonna join them together, fuse them together like so, and we're gonna insert it into the bracelet core. So we're gonna take the needle or a fid, and from the one side we're gonna insert it the point where we fuse our cords. It's here. Now we're gonna pull it and we can now start with today's project. So right strand on top of the bracelet core, the left strand on top of the right strand, around from the back through the loop on the right, like so, and then into the middle with the navy blue, through the gap between second and the third cord of the bracelet core, around, and from the back side through the loop on the right. So that's for the right strand core, the navy blue. With the brown we're gonna make it also in the middle and through the gap to the back, and from the back side through the loop on the left, like so. Now pull it, make it tight, cinch it, and continue. Now the left on top of the bracelet core, right on top of the left, around, and from the back through the loop on the left, like so. Now again into the middle, through the gap and to the back. Now from the back side through the loop on the right side, and with this brown also in the middle between second and the third cord, around, through the back, and on the loop, through the loop on the left side. So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you did, or if you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you are new on this channel and you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Also hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. That being said, as always on the end, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.